Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Vimeo account detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Vimeo and hit enter. Click on the official Vimeo website link from the search results. Once the Vimeo homepage appears, look for the Join Vimeo button. This button is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the Join Vimeo button to start the registration process. You will be redirected to the registration page. Here, you can choose to sign up using your email address or through third-party services. If you opt for email registration, enter your email address in the provided field. Next, create a strong password for your new account. Make sure your password is at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of letters and numbers. After entering your password, confirm it by typing it again in the designated field. Now, you may see additional fields asking for your name and username. Fill in these fields with your desired information. Keep in mind that your username will be publicly displayed. Once all required fields are completed, look for the Join button and click it. You may receive an email verification link in your inbox. Open your email and locate the message from Vimeo. Click on the verification link to confirm your email address. After verification, you will be redirected back to the Vimeo site. Now you can log in using your email and password. Upon logging in, you will have access to your new Vimeo account. Explore the platform to get familiar with its features. You can now customize your profile and start uploading videos. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.